Service desk teams' jobs have never been harder, an ever more demanding user base, multiple types of apps and devices to support, relentless focus on KPIs, customer satisfaction, trouble ticket volume and duration, first-level resolution rate. The pressure is on. With automated remediation, IT can improve these KPIs by proactively identifying and resolving device issues that affect end-user experience. Here's how it works. Remediation actions can be executed either by the end user or by IT in response to recurring problems like hard drive failures, app or system crashes, low disk space, etc. Each remediation response contains an action based on a script and a message to the user which can be tailored to your runbook process. To reduce ticket volume and increase user satisfaction, your administrators can empower users to implement some recovery actions without even calling the service desk. First, choose the problem you want to address. Now, when this condition occurs, rather than send an email or alert to ServiceNow, you can specify the automated remediation action to be offered to the user. Here's how this works in practice. Steel Central identifies a low disk space condition on a user's device and proactively notifies the user with the recommended corrective action. No action is taken unless the user agrees. In this example, the automated remediation empties the recycle bin and corrects the low disk space condition. The result? No calls to the service desk, better user satisfaction, fewer trouble tickets, and lower IT costs. Automated remediation also helps increase your first-level resolution rate. A user calls the service desk complaining of frequent troubles booting their device and receiving hard disk-related messages. Based on the user's complaint, the service desk agent runs the predefined remediation actions specified in their runbook process. In this case, the action is to perform a check disk that will fix errors on the hard drive, such as bad blocks. There's a complete trail logged for every action, the time, who initiated it, and whether it succeeded. With automated remediation, the service desk can handle a greater percentage of user issues without escalating to more expensive Level 2 desktop services teams. Ticket costs go down as first-level resolution rates go up. With Aternity, the enterprise-class digital experience management company, you get enterprise-scale analytics of all of your business-critical apps and any transaction executed on any device by all of your users. Aternity provides visibility and control that enable radical improvements in IT and business results. To try Aternity today, visit eternity.com/free-trial. Stay tuned, and the next video in the series will automatically start playing.